Hello, my name is Zeya Lin. Today I'll be liking to present about my coursework one from my 121. So I have to choose a company from my country. I choose a company named Keep. It is a fitness application developed by the Beijing Calorie Technology Company Limited, which is based in Beijing, China. So first of all, let's talk about the founder, Mr. Wang Ning. Beijing Calorie is founded by Mr. Wang Ning in the end of 2014 and Keep the application was launched in 2015 by the company's team. So, Keep is a free app that provides home workout training. There are online fitness instructions, diet guidance, and also as well as sports community. Users can also purchase sport equipment directly from the Keep applications, such as protein powder, uh, just anything like anything concerned to fitness. So carry on to the next slide. So why would we use Keep? Why would we want to use the home workout trainer? It's because our product provides a perfect platform to work out at home. So many people are like busy; they cannot go to the gym physically, uh, or like just now, or like right now, it is in like some cases, so they can't really go to the gym outside. So uh, for our fitness app, everything is flexible and tailored for users. So it will be like different from me and from someone else because if it will depend on if I want to lose weight, how much, what is my goal, and users can access free workout routines, video guidance, personalized training plans, and many more. And users can track and share their results among the community. So let's carry on to the customer pain. So like the fitness app can face the following challenges. So it's definitely hard to maintain user stickiness. Just like everyone, I believe, as well as me, I went to the gym, I break it down. It's like it's very hard to maintain to this. I think it goes for most of the people as well. And then there are also many apps which provide similar fitness training, like compared to Keep. And the last one is we face the difficulty on turning internet traffic into purchasing power. And also, there are also solutions to face to crush these challenges. Is to build a community allowing users to change to share their moments and fitness story. So like success stories will be shared, like success story can be shared on the platform, like, and then this will keep all our users and community in one place. And we will be inviting the celebrities as guest coaches to attract users. In China, the celebrities are like there are lots of celebrities which really can attract the customers. Which is this is a business plan used by many other companies as well. And lastly, we will launch a series of fitness products catering customers' needs. So we'll be giving to like customer needs such as sports bracelets and stuff. And the e-services fitness market is very promising in China. From the focusing on the left, we can see the revenue for both wearables and apps continues to grow steadily. It's going on a number like this. And this is all in the a million US dollars. And from the number of online users in the market also increases, especially with large proportions of app users. So we can look from the bull graph, it is from 2017 to 2024. And based on an online market research, Keep is the most successful sports application in China right now. We have the most monthly active users compared to our competitors, and almost double the second place. So we can see Keep, MIFit, Kudun, Udurun. So we're like at twice as much as the second users. And also our funds. With totally secure over $187 million of funds. Which witnessed great success in 2018. We started to have a positive profit margin at 3.36% that year, and the revenue reaches 28 million. So our business model. So we don't only get the money from the application. We have four main sources of income: selling fitness products, such as what I have mentioned earlier, like proteins and stuff; advertising commission income; uh, application membership charge; and lately we have the income from offline gym. We have over 15 offline gyms, just like the physical gym in Beijing and Shanghai. But from all of this, we can see the most profitable sector is still the fitness product, which made over 1 billion worth of renminbi by 2018. Why would you invest us? In this growing market with huge potential, every smartphone owner can be a potential user. There are many reasons to invest in us. We're the number one top selling app in China. On Roundy, we will continuously be working on creating a sports ecosystem with technology interconnection, and we keep aims to convert Keeps from a fitness app to a sports brand, make Keep a lifestyle. So it's not just a sport brand; we're gonna make it a lifestyle for everyone. So oh, my reference is here. This is my reference, and thank you everyone.